I'm recording. So to add, a key thing for all of this stuff when we deal with visual descriptions now is to think about an organized way of presenting it. Don't just jump around from corner to corner and features that you notice. Pick a path. Same way as if you draw. You wouldn't draw a window over here and then a door over here and part of the fence, because then it's hard to put that all together. Same thing applies when you're signing a description. Start with one side. Start with, okay, here's the house. You could do the fence all around it. Here's the driveway, and you work your way across. Then you can get to the front door. Right. So try to make it so that the person reading your signs is going to paint the picture and fill in blanks in a logical way. If it's jump haphazard, be like giving directions to a store, but not giving them an order. Same idea. Okay. Oh, I just froze. So notice how I followed a pattern. Now, obviously, you can't do one continuous stream, but when you go back, give a reference point. So I always came back to the hallway, and then I did the next room, and then moved this way. You are literally laying out the entire map at scale of your signing space. So make use of that. And be consistent. It takes a little getting used to because we don't do that in English. Now, this video, it's going to seem fast. The two ladies are talking about looking for a rental cabin to take their family on vacation, and the guy in the pool happens to have one that's for rent. If you notice, with each successive video, the conversations are getting much longer, and they're demonstrating a lot of the deaf culture aspects that we've talked about in previous chapters. How to get someone's attention, how to open a conversation, bring up a topic, how to end a conversation, those kind of things. So start taking note of that stuff as we get to it, because we really don't talk about it that much in the lectures anymore or in the content. It's all in the videos, and they're points for discussion. So this next thing is just how do you ask a question about someone's house? Boom. And then answer. So what we're starting to look at is using classifiers. How do you show that two things are separate or that they're joined together? So do you have a garage and a house separate, so there's nothing in between, right? Or are the two of them, boom, garage, room, which, right? So we're starting to use those classifiers we've used in past things. We're going to explore some new ones as well. We get back, this is just a repeat of the vocab. That's really all there is describing the front of your house or your residence, and then describing what the layout is. And then being able to ask any questions dealing with that. So that's 13.1. Each of these units is pretty short. 13.2, I think, is the longest of them. But some of them are just like hit and run ones. We do it and we move on.